So today we're looking at some vocabulary, some collocations, some phrases, trinomials. Let's see some examples. Example number one, tall, dark, handsome. Tall, dark, handsome. What word is missing from these other examples? Gold, silver, and first, second, and breakfast, lunch, and yeah, maybe you can guess. So tall, dark, and handsome. Gold, silver, and bronze. First, second, and third. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So, what do we have in common with these phrases? They are trinomials. Tri, one, two, three, like triangle. So, what is a trinomial? Well, trinomials are three-word collocations that are joined together by and or sometimes or. And we can't really change the order. That doesn't work in English. So tall, dark, handsome, not handsome, dark, tall. It's kind of a set phrase. So yeah, we can say gold, silver, and bronze, but not really silver, bronze, and gold. So these are set phrases in English. So here are some more examples, really common ones that are used in everyday conversation. Pause the video. Can you match those up? Left, right, and okay, if you've had a chance to think, let's check the answers. So, left, right, and centre. Morning, noon, and night. Could've, would've, should've. Cool, calm, collected. Here, there, and everywhere. A hook, line, and sinker. Beg, borrow, and steal. So these are set phrases which are used in daily conversation, and they're quite idiomatic or they can be quite literal. So let's have a look at some examples, the meaning and the pronunciation. So with regards to pronunciation, you can find lots of elements of connected speech. That's when the words are all blended and connected together. You can find this a lot in trinomials. So you can have consonant to vowel linking. Left, right, and right hand, right hand. Left, right and center. Left, right and center. It links together. The intrusive sound in British English. So here, there, air, vowel sound. And, air, and, air, and, air, and. Here, there, and everywhere. Here, there, and everywhere. However, in American English, there ends in an R sound, so that becomes linking. Here, there, and everywhere. Here, there, and everywhere. The intrusive sound, beg, borrow, and borrow, and borrow, and beg, borrow, and steal. Beg, borrow, and steal. Elision, that's when the sound disappears. So elision of the d sound. When a d is surrounded by consonants, it disappears. Sometimes. Cool, calm, uncollected. Uncollected, not und. Cool, calm, and collected. Cool, calm, and collected. Weak forms. So not and, but it's the schwa. Hook, line, hook, line, and sinker. Hook, line, and sinker. And of course, word stress. So the keywords, the three trinomials, the three keywords are stressed. Gold, silver, and bronze. Gold, silver, and bronze. So you can see when we put all these types of connected speech and elements of pronunciation together, it sounds really natural. Let's have a look. Let's check out some of these examples, not all of them, but I can show you how in some of them we can use all this pronunciation together. So let's check out this sentence. The police were stopping people left, right, and center. So we've got linking, right and center. Weak forms, right and. Elision of d, right and center, no d. And stress, left, right, center. The police were stopping people left, right, and center. Left, right, and center. That means kind of everywhere. Left, right, and center, everywhere. The police were stopping people left, right, and center. She's been working morning, noon, and night these days. Same, got linking, noonan, noonan. Weak forms an elision of D, noonan, noonan. And stress, morning, noon, and night. She's been working morning, noon, and night. That means all day, all the time, working a lot, working hard. She's been working morning, noon, and night these days. Morning, noon, and night. How about this one? Stop making excuses. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. So should've becomes shoulda, woulda, coulda. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. Stop making excuses. So this has weak forms and stress. And we often use this one if you're saying to somebody, you're saying, stop regretting, stop making excuses. Ugh, shoulda, woulda, coulda. And how about this one here? I wish I was like him. He's so cool, calm, and collected. So we've got common, that's linking. Weak forms, common. Elision of d again, calm and collected. Cool, calm, and collected. If somebody is cool, calm, and collected, they're calm under pressure. Oh, I wish I was like him. He's so cool, calm, and collected. And how about this one? Wake up, everyone. Rise and shine. Rise and shine. Oh, this one only has two. Rise and shine. Ah, this one is a binomial. So trinomials have three words. Binomials have two. And there are lots and lots of binomials. Bigger and better. Do's and don'ts. High and low. Dead or alive. Pins and needles. Rise and shine. Old and grey, like me. Not tall, dark, and handsome. I have a video on binomials. Check out the link below. Okay, pause the video, go back, practice that pronunciation, and hopefully you can use these in conversation. All right, thanks for watching, and see you next time. Thanks.